Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to set a password on your iPhone gallery. And for this we need the shortcuts app. So let's say if we are writing down shortcuts, you need this app just right here. Please make sure that you download this app in the App Store. After that we click on this app and now it will start. So the first step that we need to do is click on the plus icon and make sure that we click on new shortcut and rename this to photos. Then we click on the screen and then right now we go to search actions and we search for ask for. Then we click on ask for input and then you will see this. Then we click on text and change this to number. And then from here we click here on prompt and then we fill in with caps lock PIN. Alright. Then after that we do done. Then right now we click on search for actions and we search for if and then click on if. Then from here make sure that is on is, and if we click here on number, you can fill in the password that you want to add to your photo gallery. So let's say I want the password 1212, then we fill this in. Then right now we click on done and now we will search for the option open to. This is just right here and we click now on open app. Then right here we click on the next thing and that is open photos. So if we go back and click here on app, we need to fill in photos just like this. After this we place open photos under ask for input just like this. And this is the setup that you need to lock your photo gallery on iPhone. So right now if we do done and we click on the three dots just right here and we click here on the share button and we scroll down, we can add this button to our home screen. Now we can keep it just like this or we can add a photo. And right now if you go to Safari, you need to search for a iPhone logo gallery logo. So let's say iPhone gallery logo PNG. Then we click on that, hold our finger on it, save to photos. And right now if we will go back to our app and we click here on choose photo. And we click on the photo that we just added and we do choose. You see that we have just here the photos app or photo icon. And if I do now add, you see here the icon with photos. So right now if I click here on the right or most right app, he will ask us for our PIN. And if you fill in 1212 and we click on done, you can see just right here that we are in my gallery. So this is exactly how this works, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.